As children, there are some rules for simplifying the fraction. If in a same fraction, if there is a division, addition, subtraction, multiplication, all the terms, all operations is come in one set, in a one sum, then how we have to do that? That we have to see. That there is a rule to solve it. That is, first of all, we should do the division. First of all, we have to do the division, then the multiplication, and then addition, and then subtraction. So to just remember it, we can remember it as PODMAS also. Of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. This way you can remember it. But if there is a bracket, then how we have to do it? That is too important. If we have a bracket, then first of all, we have to solve the bracket. And that bracket also, in that bracket, we have to first of all solve the division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. This is called PODMAS. And there are the three types of bracket. First bracket is your square bracket, next is your circle bracket, and the third one is your curly bracket. These are the three different types of brackets are given. Now we will be seeing that how to solve such types of sums. In the exercise, given on page number 47, first sum. First sum, it is given that 3 whole 1 by 5 of 11 whole 1 upon 4 multiplied by 7 whole 1 by 9 divided by 8 upon 33 of 7 upon 7 whole 1 upon 3. As we have seen previously, that what does this of means? Of means multiplication. But before solving this of, what we have to do? We have to solve all the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So 3 whole 1 by 5, 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16. 16 upon 5 of. Next term is 11 whole 1 upon 4. So 4 11s are 44 plus 1, 45. 45 upon 4 multiplied by 64 upon 9. Again convert that into the improper fraction, then the division sign, and then again of means multiplication. Now we will put multiplication sign instead of. Now we have to solve it. As we know very well that we have seen about the PODMAS, that first of all we have to solve the division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So here, to solve the division, it is given this two, just a second. these two terms are of division and rest of the sums are of multiplication. What you can do, you can do first of all this sum and then do the, but here we can directly cancel it without solving. We are doing the division first. 5 ones are 5 nines are 4 ones are and 4 fours are. So you will be having 4 multiplied by 9, 36, and here 33 means here it will be 2, 11 twos are and 11 threes are, 8 twos are 16 and 3 threes are 9. Here we get these terms. So as we know very well, when we do the division, what we do? We convert that division sign into multiplication and take the reciprocal. Same thing we will be doing. That will be 36 multiplied by 64 upon 9 multiplied by 9 upon 16. So if we do this sum, that will be 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, and then 64 and 16, 16 ones are 16 and 16 fours are 64. So you will be getting 36 multiplied by 4 and you will get the final answer 144. In this way you have to solve it. Now I will show you the second sum. Second sum is given that 1 divided by 3 by 7 minus 1 upon 4 of 2 whole 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 2 divided by 3. Again here what we are going to do, we are just going to first of all convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction and then we will solve it. That is 1 plus 3 by 7, 1 divided by 3 upon 7 minus just a second. One divided by 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 4 multiplied by, as it is off, we will convert it into multiplication sign, multiplied by 2 whole 2 by 3, that will be converted into improper fraction and that will be 8 by 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Again plus 1 upon 2 divided by 3. So now what we have to do, we have to first of all do the division according to our rule. So 1 divided by 3 by 7. So what we are going to do, we are going to convert this division sign into multiplication and then reciprocal of the second term. That will be 1 multiplied by 7 upon 3. Again here also the division. So division will be converted into multiplication and the reciprocal of the second term. That will be 1 by 3. And now what we have to do? We have to do after division multiplication. This will be your done. 1 multiplied by 7 by 3, you will be getting 7 by 3. And 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2, that will be plus 1 upon 6. Now you have 7 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6. According to your board of marks, you have to do division, then multiplication and then addition. So you have to first of all do the addition. So what I have done, This subtraction term, I have taken the last one, and now I am going to do the addition. 7 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6. As your denominators are different, that you have to make it same and then you have to do it. So you will be getting 14 plus 1 upon 6 minus 2 upon 3. Now you can do the subtraction. As we are having 15 upon 6 minus 2 upon 3, 15 upon 6 means 5 upon 2. If we reduce the term, you will be getting 5 upon 2 minus 2 upon 3. Again, your denominators are different, so you have to make the denominators same and then only you are able to solve it. You will be finding the LCM and then making the denominator same, and you will get the answer of 11 by 6, and 11 by 6, that will in an improper fraction as your numerator is greater, so convert it into the mixed fraction. You will be getting the answer 1 whole 5 by 6. Third, fourth, fifth, you can do it. I am going to tell you the next sum, that is the sixth one, as here you have the bracket. If you have the bracket, again the off is there, convert that off into the multiplication, and first of all we have to solve the bracket. If you have the bracket, then first you will be solving the bracket. As I have written instead of multiplication sign, but now I am going to solve first of all the bracket. 11 upon 13 multiplied by 7 upon 2. So you have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 11 sevens are 77 and 13 twos are 26. Now we have solved the bracket. Now we will proceed. Then now again we have to solve first of all the multiplication and then the subtraction. 77 upon 26 multiplied by 91 upon 12. If we solve it, then you will be getting 539 upon 24 minus 8 upon 5. 24 and 5, you have to find out the LCM, because the denominators are different. If your denominators are different, then you are not able to solve it. What you are going to do, first of all you will find the LCM and then only you will be able to do it. Its LCM is 120. So according to that, as we have done lot many examples of the subtraction, you can do that. You will be getting the answer 2503 upon 120, and if you reduce it to the lowest term, you will be getting the answer 20 whole 103 upon 120. This is your final answer. In this way you can do it, your sums. In 8th sum also, first of all you have to do the bracket. First of all solve the bracket. First we will solve the, see the sum, which is your first term, division, addition, subtraction, then only do it. But first of all you have to solve the first bracket, which is possible. Means in the 8th sum you are going to solve the first bracket, that is your circle bracket, 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 30. That you should solve first, and then you will be proceeding. Thank you, children.